Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Verizon Smart Home devices to new account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your Verizon Smart Home devices to a new account, begin by ensuring you have access to both the old account and the new account. Log into your Verizon Smart Home account using the current credentials. Navigate to the Settings or Device Management section of your account. Locate the smart home devices you wish to transfer. Select the device you want to transfer and click on the Remove or Delete option. Confirm the removal of the device from your account. Next, log out of the old account after all desired devices have been removed. Log into your new Verizon Smart Home account using the new credentials. Once logged in, go to the Device Setup or Add Device section. Follow the prompts to add a new device to your account. Begin the pairing process for the device by pressing the appropriate button if necessary. Your device will search for available connections. Wait until it finds your home network. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials as prompted to connect the device. Once connected, give the device a name and finish the setup process. Repeat these steps for any additional devices you want to transfer. After all devices are set up, check their functionality through the new account dashboard. Your Verizon Smart Home devices should now be fully operational under your new account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.